Hi everyone, today I'm going to do you a quick unboxing and a quick review of what is the sjcam sports camera, and it's the SJ6 Legend, which comes with a touchscreen. SJ is the competition pretty much that it's taking on GoPro, and as you can see their products are pretty good. Here, if you can, let me see if I can show it to you guys. For example, the image sensor is a 16 megapixels Panasonic sensor, and the quality of the video and the pictures is pretty good. We have tested it. I will later show you some videos about it, but right now I just want to give you an idea of what comes in the box. As you can see, this camera is Wi-Fi enabled. I purchased this camera for my drone, the one that I built, that has been giving me some hard time, but anyways, I am able to use this camera for my daily activities, recording some sports outdoors and so on. So let's see what's inside the box. The first thing that you will notice, it comes with a waterproof cover and the clip, the holder. It doesn't include an SD card, so we had to purchase one, and the SD card capacity of this camera is up to 128 gigabytes. But you're never going to use that much unless you record on the 4K, because it's 4K capable. It has optical image stabilization, and it has two screens, one here, one in the back, so you can see what's going on. In the box you will find here pretty much your gluing or self-gluing base supports. They come with the release clicks. So there you go. It comes with 4 of them. You also get a charging cable, an extra battery, and we already have a battery installed on this one. Let me show you the other accessories that come in this. Right here you get your instruction booklet, more self-gluing pads. This is a bicycle grip. You put it on the bicycle handle for recording your stuff. This is also a plastic case if you want to take it out from the swimming or diving waterproof case, and you can use this one. There's other type of connectors, more plastic bases. This thing I really like to point out. This is a waterproof case, but that enables the touch screen to work. And as you can see, it has an opening. It's not solid. It comes with a little plastic film. What it allows you to do is when you touch the screen, because it's touchscreen, you can change the settings. However, it is not recommended to be used more than 10 meters depth. And also, the touch functionality does not work underwater. So just take that into account. I mean, this is good if you're on a swimming pool. You take some pictures, you take your camera to the surface, and you fiddle with it by touching the settings here, but it depends on what are you guys looking for. What I do pretty much is I just set everything up, and I just use either the camera and image setting, which depends on how you press the shutter. If you keep it pressing, it will make video. If you just make quick taps, it's just a picture. So I mean, it depends on you guys. Another more supports comes also with some stickers, sjcam, and a lint for cleaning the screen. So it's a very good deal. There's another thing that I would like to point out. I purchased this camera in a bundle, and I will show you the link to the bundle is in the description of the video. But I think it was the best deal because it came with even more accessories, especially if you're someone that enjoys outdoor activities. And let me just take all of this out of the scene so you can see. And it's this small case, and it's on Amazon, and what they do is include another set of supports that you might use. It includes a selfie stick for your action camera, more connectors, a cup holder, suction cup holder, you just glue it into a smooth surface, and latch it, and then you can set your sports camera for recording maybe the outer part of your car or your motorcycle or your boat and so on. This thing here is another great accessory. This is the wearable, your head strap. And what it does is you put it in your head, you adjust it. Comes with a comfy rubber layout on the inside. It's made of stretchable Velcro or nylon, I think it is. And here you pretty much hook your camera using any of these connectors, or this one, whichever makes you feel more comfortable. Just bolt it there, and what you will have is your camera set up as a head display on your head or your helmet. And if you don't feel that comfortable because you're moving your head along, if you're riding a bicycle or something, you can then use this strap, this is a chest strap, and it's pretty big. This stuff is not cheap, but the bundle saves you a lot of money. As you can see, it comes with a quick connectors release. So what you do is it goes this way. You put in your arms like this, and you just hook out your camera right here. It folds like this, and there you go. So as you can see, this is something that you will definitely enjoy. Also, if you're boating or you do like to swim or maybe drive a PWC or a jet ski, you can hook your camera to this. It comes with a hand strap, so if your camera falls into the water, it will not sink, it will float. So that is a really good deal if you get all the accessories plus the camera. I'll talk a little bit more about the camera, and I will show you some footage of what you can do, but let me just turn it on real quickly. I will take it out of the swimming waterproof case. sjcam, and as you can see, the modes come here. So you have video lapse, slow recording, still, photo mode, and so on. I mean, there's a lot of stuff. You can pretty much choose photo lapse, time lapse. It all depends on what are you looking for. I think you could even set up the settings. We have made some footage and so on, but it's touchscreen, and it comes with exposure time, image size, quality. I mean, it's very, very complete. This thing is just as good as any GoPro you will find out there, or even the DJI cameras. And the best part is that they do sell a lot of accessories that are from the sjcam brand. We purchased here it goes, a fast charger, and it comes with 2 ports, so you can charge your 2 batteries simultaneously. We also purchased the Wi-Fi watch. Let me show it real quick to you. So you can use this watch, let's say even if you're diving, because I think it's waterproof, and you can take video, pictures, photos, or even turn off the camera. That's really good if you're, for example, driving a jet ski and you have the camera up front and you want to control it remotely. You can do it, and it's really simple. I'll show you how you guys control it. If you slide from the uppermost part, you will see that it has the Wi-Fi, the remote, the FPV if you have a drone, and also the LCD off. So, I mean, this camera is really great. The price for the camera and the accessories bundle was about $140 US. So it was a really good deal. Take that into account. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. We will later make other videos because we find some attachments that you can use for improving the quality of the audio or recordings. But feel free to make any questions, comments. We hope you guys really enjoy it. We're making these videos because there's a lot of questions about other stuff regarding drones, and the cameras was one of them. We also purchased a gimbal. We will make another video about it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are under streaming on Dron-isteria and also under Streaming Army. We have 2 channels. You can also follow us on Twitter and on Facebook. And yes, please hit the subscribe button and the bell just to get reminders whenever we do upload any of our latest videos. So thanks for watching, and